tired of intros.
Howdy and welcome to Chris Mel FPV. And every day for the next, like, I don't know, week or so, I'm gonna be going out and about, finding new spots, ripping a few packs. Today I got the old Shendrone CineWhoop action. We're gonna go fly around this little park here, playing in the trees. There's some guys doing some stuff out on the water. Maybe I'll get risky and try and, you know, drown the thing, huh? Yeah. Warm up pack, let's do it.
Spent the whole day in my head. Do a little spring cleaning. I'm always too busy dreaming. Well, maybe I should wake up instead. A lot of things I regret, but I just say I forget. Why can't it just be easy? Why does everybody need me to stay? Oh, I hate the feeling when you're high but you're underneath the ceiling. Got the cards in my hand, I hate dealing. Yeah, get everything I need and I'm gone, but it ain't stealing. Can I get a break? I wish that I could just get out my goddamn way. What is there to say? There ain't a better time than today. Maybe I'll lay down for a little, instead of always trying to figure everything out. And all I do is say sorry. Half the time I don't even know what I'm saying it about. Good news, good news, good news, that's all they wanna hear. No, they don't like it when I'm down, but when I'm flying, oh, it make them so uncomfortable, so different. What's the difference? When it ain't that bad, it could always be worse. I'm running out of gas, hardly anything left. Hope I make it home from work. So tired of being so tired. Well, I gotta build something beautiful just to go set it on fire. I'm no lie, but sometimes the truth don't sound like the truth. Maybe cause it ain't. I just love the way it sound when I say it. Yeah, that's what I do. If you know me, it ain't anything new. Wake up to the moon. Haven't seen the sun in a while, but I heard that the sky's still blue. Yeah, heard they don't talk about me too much no more. That's a problem with a closed door. Good news, good news, good news, that's all they wanna hear. No, they don't like it when I'm down, but when I'm flying, oh, it make them so uncomfortable, so different. What's the difference? There's a whole lot more for me waiting on the other side. I'm always wondering if it feel like summer. I know maybe I'm too late, I could make it there some other time.
Well, there it is. There's a few packs ripped today on the old Shendrone Squirt. Took it out over the water. Didn't drown her. Didn't really crash too bad. There's that one little guy, but you know, she's flying good. She's flying great. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.